Hey guys, what is up? Today I will show you how to root your Samsung Galaxy Note 4 running Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, the last version available. This is the easiest way to root any model of your Samsung Galaxy Note 4. In this case, I will try to root my Note 4 running Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, which is a SMN910F in this case, but as I told you before, the process works for any model. Before you start, you will need to download a zip file. You will find the link to download it from the description of this video, specifically for your model. So if you don't know, just check into the settings, and then you will need to extract all the files, which are these ones, and now you are ready to start. The first thing you need to do is to open Odin Downloader and click on AP. So you will have this file, custom firmware auto root. So let's select it. Now when you see leave CS, you are ready to start. So you will need to first of all to power your device off. So let's power off. So now you will need to connect your device to the computer. Just a moment. Alright, so now you will need to boot your Note 4 in download mode. So you will have to press this button right here, the home button and the power button at the same time. So let's hold these buttons for a few seconds. You will see the screen, this warning. You will just need to press the volume up button right here. This is the download mode. Now you must make sure that your device has been detected from Odin. If it doesn't detect the device, you will just need to reconnect it to computer. Now if you alright, it detected the device, so you will see something blue below ID COM, and now you will just need to click on start. So we have to wait a few seconds. It will be a really fast procedure, as you can see right now. When the device reboots, you will be able to remove the cable. You don't need to, your device doesn't need to be connected onto the computer anymore, and you will see this screen with a red Android logo and something like a verbose boot. It is the rooting procedure. Okay, here we are. If you see set variancy bit kernel, it's normal, so don't worry about that. Download mode. So let's reboot it to recovery mode. Installing system update. Alright, so cache. Yes, reboot system now.